Greetings everyone. Let's start with today's topic microeconomics. The content we are going to cover today are oligopoly. Oligopoly. The term oligopoly refers to a small number of producers working either explicitly or tactically to restrict output and or fix prices in order to achieve above normal market returns. Economic, legal, and technological factors can contribute to the formation and maintenance or dissolution of oligopolies. The major difficulty that oligopolies face is the prisoner's dilemma that each member faces, which encourages each member to cheat. Government policy can discourage or encourage egopolistic behavior, and firms in mixed economies often seek government blessings for ways to limit competition. Why are oligopolies stable? An interesting question is why such a group is stable. The firms need to see the benefits of collaboration over the cost of economic competition, then agree to not compete and instead agree on the benefits of cooperation. The firms have sometimes found creative ways to avoid the appearance of price fixing, such as using phases of the moon. Price fixing is the act of setting prices rather than letting them be determined by the free market forces. Another approach is for firms to follow a recognized price leader. When the leader raises price, the others will follow. What are some negative effects of an oligopoly? An oligopoly is when a few companies exert significant control over a given market. Together, these companies may control prices by colluding with each other, ultimately providing uncompetitive prices in the market. Among other determinant factors of an oligopoly include limiting new entrants in the market and decreased innovation. Oligopolies have been found in the oil industry, railroad companies, wireless carriers, and big tech. The kinked demand curve model. This model suggests that prices will be fairly stable and there is little incentive for firms to change prices. Therefore, firms compete using non-price competition methods. This assumes that firms seek to maximize profits. If they increase the price, then they will lose a large share of the market because they become uncompetitive compared to other firms. Therefore, demand is elastic for price increase. If firms cut prices, then they would gain a big increase in market share. However, it is unlikely that firms will allow this. Therefore, other firms follow suit and cut price as well. Therefore, demand will only increase by a small amount. Therefore, demand is inelastic for a price cut. Therefore, this suggests that prices will be rigid in oligopoly.